Today we will be testing the macro directional index.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the macro directional index. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 61 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 792 indicators, with 323 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 21 of the winning indicators. 8 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best one, a 76% win rate. Keep in mind that we test most of the strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today's indicator is the macro directional index, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so really all we are looking for is going to be the background coloration here. So you see the red coloration and the green coloration. And so what we are looking for is when we pick up that red coloration, we are going to go short, or when we get the green coloration, we are going to go long. So that's what we are looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so the first signal that we pick up is a long signal. You can see that we switch that coloration in the background there. So it goes from the red into the green, and we get a really nice push to the upside. Little bit of a pullback there, but it does stay within our stop and makes a really nice burst to the top there, heading upward, which does come up and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, then we pick up a short signal right here on this one. Again, we get that coloration switch, so it goes from the green into the red. And we get almost no pullback on this one and an immediate drop to the downside, which does come down and gets us to our take profit once again. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up a long signal right here. Coloration change there in the background from the red to the green. Little bit of a pullback right there, tail on that candle right here. But then we get a nice push to the upside, which does come up and hits our take profit one more time. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up a short right here on this one. It looks like we might just barely hit our take profit here on this really long wick to the downside. Let's see, so that it's about 128 pips. What was our take profit? 100 pips for the take profit. Yeah, so we hit our take profit right here on this long wick here on this candle. So it's kind of lucked out right there, hitting our take profit before it then starts to kind of chop and push its way up a little bit at a time right there. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It's free to join. Most of these channels here are free. You're welcome to join, take part of the discussions in any of these channels, but we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some advanced information that we're putting out for them to see. Excuse me. And so, for example, our admin Jay is doing a really great job trading the futures market. And he's putting up charts like this, where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and even where he is looking to take trades. And he will give a write-up on exactly what it is that he's looking at and the analysis that he is doing on the chart that he is posting. We also have one of our members here, Sasquatch. He is an awesome Forex prop trader, posting charts like this here where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and even sometimes where he is looking to take a trade. So he'll mark where his entry is, where his stop is, and his take profit. And then he will often kind of give a write-up as well, kind of thought experiments on different ideas and different strategies, supply and demand, and just kind of teaching people in general kind of what he's doing and how he's doing it. Really, really great information that he's putting out for everyone to see, him and our admin Jay. And so I highly recommend that you join us here and take advantage of that great information. All right, back to our indicator here. So, all right. Pretty clear there. So we have the 5 trades and we have the 5 winners. All in all, seemed like pretty solid indicator. I wish it gave us more trades within the 1 year's time. Obviously, 5 trades isn't that great. And so we will put it through obviously more thorough testing once it comes around to the advanced testing stage. But for now, like I said, it seems pretty solid. Give us 5 trades, and each of those trades were catching a really decent kind of trend movement. There was one that was a little questionable, kind of right at the end of the trend before it then reversed. But the rest of them definitely was catching the trend and gave some decent room for that trend to run a little bit more. And so, yeah, all in all, not too bad. This one's definitely going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.